Do you want to know how you can sign up for Cactus AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Cactus AI. Go ahead and search for Cactus AI sign up and click on the first link which appears on your screen, and it will take you to the official sign up portal of Cactus, where you can write down your first name and your last name. So go ahead and write down your first name over here, your last name over here, and write down your email address. After you've written down your email address, you must generate a password. Make sure you create a secured password, and you can check your password once you're done and click continue. After you click on continue, you can see some interface like this, like the sign up is successful, or you might have to add your personal details on Cactus AI as well. And there you go, you can see that you don't have to add any personal details anymore, and you have signed up to your Cactus essay writer, which is your Cactus AI. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.